Does your money always mysteriously run out before the month is over? Do you feel like you work hard, but there's never anything left? You're not alone. For many people, budgeting feels like a punishment, a restriction on their freedom. But what if I told you the opposite is true? That budgeting is the key to true financial freedom and peace of mind. It doesn't have to be a punishment. In this video, you'll discover the 5 essential keys to effective budgeting that will change your life. Get ready to gain control over your money, reduce your stress, and finally achieve your financial dreams. The first, and perhaps most important key is simple. Understand where your money goes. You can't make a plan if you don't know your current situation. Tracking your income and expenses is crucial. This doesn't have to be complicated. There are tons of apps available, like YNAB or Mint, that link to your bank account and automatically categorize your spending. Prefer a more traditional approach? A simple spreadsheet on Google Sheets or Excel works just as well. Or grab a pen and paper and write down every cent that comes in and goes out. Choose the method that works for you. The goal? To get a clear picture of where every cent flows. Only then can you make conscious decisions. Now that you know where your money is going, it's time for key 2, set realistic goals. Why do you want to budget? What do you want to achieve? Perhaps you want to pay off debt, save for that dream vacation, make a down payment on a house, or simply build a financial buffer for emergencies. Without a clear goal, a budget is an empty document. Make your goals SMART. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Break them into short-term and long-term goals. Short-term successes will motivate you to continue pursuing those bigger long-term ambitions. Visualize them. With your goals in mind, it's time for key 3. Choose a budgeting method that truly fits you. There's no one-size-fits-all solution. A popular method is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your net income goes to your needs, fixed costs, groceries, 30% to your wants, eating out, entertainment, and 20% to savings, saving debt repayment. Then there's zero-based budgeting, where you give every cent a job. As soon as your income comes in, you assign every cent to an expense or savings goal, so you end up at 0 at the end of the month. You spend your money on paper before you physically spend it. For those who prefer working with cash, there's the envelope method. Divide your cash budget into the physical envelopes for different categories. If an envelope is empty, your budget for that category is used up. Experiment. Find the method that resonates with your lifestyle and financial habits. Key 4 is perhaps the most powerful. Automate your savings and expenses. Make it easy for yourself to be successful. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings accounts immediately after your salary is deposited. Whether it's a very small or large amount, pay yourself first is a golden rule. Also, automate the payment of your fixed expenses, such as rent, mortgage, loans, and subscriptions. This prevents late fees and ensures you never forget anything. By automating, you take the emotion and the effort out of budgeting. You minimize manual decisions and guarantee that your financial goals are pursued, even when you're distracted. And then, the last, but certainly not the least important key, review and adjust. A budget isn't a static document, it's a living tool. Schedule a fixed time, for example once a month, to review your budget. Did you stay within budget? Does anything need to be adjusted? Where did you overspend and why? Your life is constantly changing. Your income, your expenses, your goals. Your budget needs to evolve with it. An unexpected expense, a new job, a change in your household. All these things can require an adjustment to your budget. Be flexible. Don't be afraid to make adjustments. Making mistakes is human. Learning from them and adjusting your plan is the key to long-term success. There you have them, the 5 keys to budgeting that will transform your financial life. Let's quickly summarize them one more time. 1. Understand where your money goes. 2. Set realistic goals. 3. Choose a method that fits you. 4. Automate your savings and expenses. And 5. Review and adjust your budget regularly. Remember, budgeting isn't a punishment. It's a skill that gives you freedom. Start today with the first step. Even the smallest change can have a huge impact. Which budgeting method will you try first? Or do you already have a favorite you'd like to share? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful. Subscribe for more financial tips and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.